In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wise account number. If you're someone who often deals with international transactions or simply wants to keep track of finances across different currencies, Wise is definitely a handy tool. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide aims to make your experience as straightforward as possible. To start, you'll need to log into your Wise account. Once you're logged in, you should see a dashboard that displays an overview of all your currencies. This is your hub where you can manage all currency balances linked to your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout as it will help you navigate the following steps more smoothly. Now, the first thing you want to do is locate the specific currency for which you need the account number. You'll see a list of currencies on your dashboard. Click on the currency that you're interested in. This might be a currency you're actively using for transactions, or perhaps one you need details for future use. Don't worry if you manage multiple currencies on Wise. It's structured to accommodate this seamlessly. Once you've selected and clicked on the currency of your choice, you'll notice that the page updates to display an expanded view of your account details. Among these details is your account number. This is generally displayed prominently to ensure easy access. It's a good idea to review these details whenever you're making significant transactions to confirm everything is aligned correctly. Clicking on the account number will unveil the full account details. This might include additional information like the bank name, sort code, or other identifiers that could be required for comprehensive financial activities. It's essential that you verify these details if you're setting up payments, as errors can delay transactions or cause them to be rejected entirely. Remember, your Wise account number is unique to your profile on the platform. As such, it serves as an important part of your financial identification within the Wise system. If you ever encounter any issues or discrepancies, knowing exactly where to find this number can be very helpful. To wrap up, always ensure that your internet connection is secure, particularly when dealing with financial information. Consider bookmarking the Wise login page for quicker access next time. Also, keep your Wise app updated to benefit from the latest security features and improvements. I hope this video has been helpful in providing a clear understanding of how to access and verify your Wise account number. Feel free to pause, rewind, or replay as needed, and don't hesitate to explore other resources if you're looking to make the most of your Wise account's features. Thank you for joining me today, and happy transacting with Wise.